Hello and welcome everybody. SNDL stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with the price predictions that could be explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If we go for this part here, it seems that this is going to be on SNDL appli. So I think it's going to be very important to make SNDL be applicated on the 1 week update. Okay, let's go for this step. If we went for the slab line here and went for the standard part here, which is going to be perpendicular to the trend line that we would draw, and that seems that is going to be SNDL attachment of those lines. So that means the price would start to make new one here, and that would give us a stretched form, and then it would give us an increase in value, maybe with a spike or in this form. Hope you benefit from this video.